For migrants new to this country, many who don't speak English, navigating immigration court is complicated. Even harder, you'd think, of course, for children who are sent here alone. There are organizations around the country able to help minors navigate the process, but Ken Molestina tonight shows you why the future of those programs is now uncertain.
For migrant children who can range in age from 3 to 17 and who arrive in the U.S. without a guardian,
the different circumstances that lead these children to arrive have to do with poverty, have to do with persecution. They're already carrying a high level of trauma.
Applying for asylum can be yet another confusing obstacle.
The immigration system is so complex, and then seeing the children's faces, they have really no idea how to navigate that.
It's why U.S. law provides protections for unaccompanied children and why federal grants go toward legal representation for these children.
It's a playroom where we meet with children and we have them select their toy of choice.
Farheen Siddiqui is a managing attorney at International Rescue Committee, or IRC. It's one of the groups that receives funding to help unaccompanied minors.
We've gone through a lot of different variations of the funding being cut.
And she says this year, the money that organizations like IRC rely on has been jeopardized.
In March, the network that oversees these nonprofits received this letter from the Department of the Interior, ending the contract that pays for the network's services. This put representation for about 26,000 unaccompanied kids at risk. As a result, some of the nonprofits have sued. A federal judge has since restored the funding for now.
But there's no certainty as to the future of the program. It's only until September that we have continued funding.
What kind of effects would take place should your funding be cut permanently? What does that look like?
If this elimination extends in the future, that means that these children are going to be left with no representation whatsoever.
Which ultimately could mean children alone in courtrooms, unable to adequately present their case for immigration relief and ending up with deportation orders.
As attorneys, we might be able to find another job, but these children and their future is at risk ultimately.
Does this weigh on you? Do you think about this a lot?
I think so.